to the lighthouse. So this is the house that we can see, and then we have to go
Right up
past
here,
that up to there.
This path all the way up to here, eh?
Oh, let's look. Is that a golden eagle? It's beautiful. I think it is.
You can see the lighthouse up there. How do you rate this view?
Pretty good. I like that one.
That rock is pretty
Do you
big.
see all that bird poo though?
Look at this rock over here. It's white.
Yeah, that one's white too.
The lighthouse is super cool.
It is cool. There we go. Ah, it's a fly!
I know, they really are attacking us. Can you climb all the way through it?
Yes. You can.
Hello.
Hey, there's a snake back there.
All right, the tree is magnificent, but I think the beach is calling our name. Would you agree?
The beach is calling.
No, there's a gentleman here.
The beach does call. Man, the wind is whipping! The sand hurts a little bit, so we hiked 4 miles today, and now we're out hanging out on the beach. People are trying to read, we ate lunch. We tried throwing the frisbee around. That did not go so well. The reason made the frisbee just hovered in the air. And we were just chasing it. But now I kind of want to come down and chase the waves a little bit. So, not get sopping soaking wet, but you know, generally take a closer look. Yeah. So look at that spray. Are you gonna run in?
Probably not. Just get my toes wet.
Yeah, well, you gotta run up to about here. That's good enough. Ah! Come on! Come on! Come on, deeper, deeper! Ah, it's cold!
Lovely.
It's so good. Woo! Your suntea's good?
Yeah, I just had some.
Nice. How long did it have to make it sit?
I'm actually gonna have it sit a little longer. It's not warm.
All right.
I want it to get warm.
So are you glad? Are you glad you ran in?
Yeah. It's nice. It does numb your ankles a little bit.
It does. It was weird that the fresh water was warmer.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go get in the water a second time. Go! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Let's go! Yeah, bro! Get out here, come on! Come on! Come on! All right, bail out quick! Bail out quick! Oh, blimey. Yeah, this is not the warm tropical oceans.
Successful beach day. My tea, my sun tea, is delicious.
It is very delicious.